Shubhodaya, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are joining. We'll start off with a Shanti Mantra. Repeat after me. Om Poornamadah
Om Poornamadah
Poornamidam
Poornamidam
Poornaat
Poornaat
Poornamudachyate
Poornamudachyate
Poornasya
Poornasya
poornamaadaaya
poornamaadaaya
poornamevaavashishṣyate
poornamevaavashishṣyate
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
This Shanti Mantra is from Shukla Yajurveda. Shukla Yajurveda has two Upanishads. The shortest is called as Yajniya Mantra Upanishad and the longest is Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Both of them starts with this Shanti Mantra. This talking about, this is a unique mathematics. It is talking about the completeness. The complete, it is talking about that complete principle. It's a poornamadah. Ada, it is there. That complete is there. Not only that there, it is there within also. The same principle, the complete principle is not only outside and complete here. What happens if you want to add this complete to that complete? Will it become two complete? No, it will still become one complete. One complete plus one complete, still one complete. What about if I subtract that complete from this complete? Will it be zero? Even if you subtract, it's still complete. That complete principle, it is talking about in the Shanti Mantra, this unique completeness. So, how relevant is to me? That principle is complete. So what? What is the relevance to me in my life? Many people, I ask them to come and join yoga. They say, sorry, I'm happy in my life. I don't require yoga. I am not sick. I am complete. I am happy. I am not interested in yoga. Many people they are saying that I am complete. They are indicating that I am complete. And what this relevance to me, however you think you are complete, there is an incompleteness in you. However, I think I am complete, there is an incomplete. I don't understand my incompleteness. For example, in this vessel, I fill to the brim water and I am saying that my cup is full. I am complete. I am full. Now, what happens if I bring another cup? It's a bigger one. I pour this water into this one. I thought I am complete. Here, only this much. I am incomplete. How do I define I am complete? In what regard? In comparison with what? When I pour the water, the full to the brim, when I pour it here, it is only quarter full. So, incompleteness is there. In our sadhana also, we always, that there is a room for improvement. You have to strive as long as you are living. You have to strive to enrich. Try to enrich your personality. Try to acquire more knowledge. Try to learn new things every day. However old you are, never give up learning. Keep on learning. Never think you are complete. In comparison with that complete, you are so incomplete. There is a room for improvement. And yoga, it says, it is giving, by practicing yoga, your lifespan increases. As long as you live, continue to learn. Continue to learn and march towards that completeness. Your life should be aimed and marching towards that completeness. And in comparison with him or in comparison with the great people, how incomplete I am, and why I have to complete that completeness. What is the purpose? As I becoming complete, as I enriching myself, happiness increases, bliss increases, joy in my life increases. And many times it's because of incompleteness I feel worthless living. I feel worthless. I go into depression, anxiety, because I realize how incomplete I am. Realizing incompleteness itself is not the purpose. You have to make an ambitious attempt to reach towards the completeness. Try to enrich your personality. And yoga is a tool towards enriching your personality. And coming to yoga, some people they say yoga is nothing to do with religion. And yoga is nothing to do with religion. And many yoga teachers themselves they say. And some say yoga really belongs to particular religion. I am not interested in yoga. That yesterday somebody called me saying that she wanted to enroll her daughter to yoga, but divinity in yoga, that spiritual side, my daughter is not at all interested. She want to do some swinging her arms and legs, stretch, bending. That yoga I am looking for, not the divinity side, not at all interested. And I suggested there are many yogas, why don't you learn from there? And yoga, some people they say it's yoga is not at all religious. Religion, what is the meaning of religion? Religion, the meaning of religion is belief in something higher. And working towards that one is called as religion. Religion, I believe in something which is not visible to my senses. It is beyond my sense perception, and I believe in that force. That is called as religion. It's a religion is nothing but a belief. Yoga, practicing of yoga strengthens your belief. We are based on our belief. Whatever in Bhagavad Gita also it says, Yo Shraddha Evasa, Shraddho Ayoyam Purusho, Yo Shraddha Evasa. We are nothing but bundle of belief. And yoga strengthens your belief. Whatever belief is that one, you to believe, you have to be strong physically. To believe, not only the belief has to be realized. For that you have to be strong physically, mentally strong, spiritually strong. Yoga, yes, it is not nothing to do with religion, not that one. I differ with that one. Yoga is highly religious. Whatever religion you are from, it strengthens your belief. It makes you a better person. Whatever religion you belong, yoga is complementary to that religion. It is not contrary to any religion. Whatever belief you have, it strengthens you. It makes you a better person in whatever religion you are following. And some people they say yoga belongs to a particular, it is belonging to Hinduism. And Hinduism and Hindu, it is a name given by Persians. The river Sindhu in flowing, people living on the other side of Sindhu are called as Sindhus. The Persians, they could not say Sindhu, they say Hindu. The people living on the other side of the river, they call it a Hindu river. Hindu on the other side of the Hindu river are Hindus. The name given by them. The people living on the other side, the Bharata, they gave this knowledge to the whole world. It's a gift of the Bharata to the whole world. And so, this gift, when it is given And though it has an origin in India, it's a Bharata, though that people on the other side, Hindus, have given to the whole world, this is a gift for everyone. Everyone, it's by practice of yoga, it makes you physically strong, mentally strong, spiritually strong, emotionally balanced, and spiritually connected. And to practice yoga, I may be looking very healthy, very everyone's their frame, the cage. My cage is this one. This is my cage. Within that I am living. The cage is not me. The cage, this is the outer shell. It is not the outer shell. I am beyond the outer shell. If I am an outer shell, only the outer shell, if I regard only this outer shell is me, how come when I am fast asleep, if somebody calls, this outer shell doesn't respond. What is that responding? This is not the outer shell. Within that one something is there. Something is there. And some people, this outer shell looks very good, but there is no energy, no motivation, no inspiration in their life. And what is that energy? What is that energy? Some people have lot of energy, some do not have any energy. What is that one? What is this prana? That energy faculty is called as prana. How to enrich that prana? Prana through, there's another shell. We are not only the outer shell is called as annamaya kosha. Beyond that one, that energy is called as pranamaya kosha. Beyond that one, and it's sankalpa, vikalpa. I want, I don't want. I want, don't want. Life is full of this one. I like that one, I don't like this one. I like, I don't like. Sankalpa, what makes me to like something? What makes me to dislike something? I like something, I don't like. What is that faculty? That is called as manomaya kosha. Manomaya kosha, there's beyond that one. Something I like, something I don't like. My life is full of that one, likes and dislikes. And that is called faculty of the manomaya kosha. Beyond that one, there is another one, retention, memory, sharp thinking. And I can understand, grasp things very well. What is that faculty? My retention ability, sharp memory, that is called as memory shell. It is called as vijnanamaya kosha. That is vijnanamaya kosha. And beyond that one, whatever we do in our life, I go to work. What is the bottom line? Bottom line, I want to be happy. I want to dine out. Why? What is the bottom line? I want to be happy. I want to go on holiday. What is the bottom line? I want to be happy. I want to get married. Why? What is the bottom line? I want to be happy. I want to have children. Why? Bottom line is, I want to be happy. Bottom line, every one of us wants to be happy in our lives. And so we pursue so many things in our lives. The bottom line is seeking the happiness, the joy. That happiness is within. That is called as Anandamaya Kosha. That sheath is called as Anandamaya Kosha. So, beyond that one, that soul, the soul travels from one body to another body with these 5 shells. With 5 shells, it travels from one body to another body, and that soul and wants to enrich itself, exhaust its karmas to enrich. It moves from one body to another. Yoga, practice of yoga strengthens the physical frame strong. Physically I am strong. I am not falling sick often. Physically I am strong. My energy level goes up. By practice of yoga, energy level goes up. And bubbling with energy. You can realize, you can experience the bubbling of energy within. My likes and dislikes, 2 shores. I am it's a swayed from this shore, like shore, to dislike shore. I am like a pendulum always. It makes my pendulum steady. Earlier I was swinging like this. Now my likes and dislikes doesn't haunt me any longer. Manomaya kosha is stabilized. My memory becomes strong. I remember things. I remember good things. Memory Vijnanamaya kosha. And I am at peace within myself. I am in joy within myself. Yoga helps in strengthening all five koshas so that this jiva, that soul within that one, it starts realizing the purpose behind coming to various lives, various bodies. It wants to exhaust its karmas or prarabdha karmas, or it wants to enrich itself. This yoga helps in nourishing the soul. Otherwise, this body is pampered in our life. We are only going out. Body is pampered. This soul for which this body is there, this soul is sulking. Body is pampered. And whereas in yoga, not only body is enriched, your energy level has gone up, mind is enriched, intellectual ability has gone up, you are at peace, and also your soul for which you have come, that also is enriched. It is a holistic, it's a complete package, and it's unlike a gym, only the physical part. Whereas here, it is a complete package, it's a yoga, is a holistic, and I welcome all of you into this journey, holistic journey. The starting, many people get motivated to start, and after 1-2 classes they lose the steam. It is not one day, one class affair, 2 class affair, 1 term affair. It's a lifelong commitment. Yoga is a lifelong commitment. Whatever profession you are in, and take yoga as a part of your life, because these 5 principles, physical energy, mind, intellect, and bliss, beyond that one, soul, the 6th one, it is you have to enrich all 5 components. Yoga is your lifelong companion. Come join the yoga. Lie down on your back.